Notion templates for schoolwork, social media, and more. Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Notion templates for your different aspects, like for your social media, for your school, for your work, and everything. So, Notion is a platform which basically allows you to manage and organize all the things and all the tasks that you are doing, that everything that has been going through your life. You can just get on Notion and you can organize that. So, how you can basically organize different things like your social media and your different thing on Notion. So for that, what you need to do is you need to basically get a template for yourself. So when you click on this option which says template, you are going to get this, this pop-up. In this pop-up, you're going to do is you're just going to click on this option which says all templates, and when you do that, you'll basically get a whole other tab, and in there you're going to find all the templates that are available in Notion. Like, this is the template gallery of the Notion. So here you can see this is the template of the month that I am seeing right now. This is the holiday gift guide. The other template that they're showing is personal growth plan, Christmas planner template, and you can just Notion's company goals. So some of these templates are basically priced, like you cannot get them for free, but some of them are available for the free version of Notion as well. So you can just get one for any of your need. The free, there must be a template which is available which is for free. So if you want something for your student, if you're a student, if you want something to organize for your like education, you can just go on and click on this category which says education, and you will get everything in that specific thing. If you are basically, if you run a business, if you want something to basically organize your whole business, you can just go on and see it. Here you have HR and people, here you have marketing, you also have sales and CRM. Here, if you are basically selling a product, your product is right here. If you are just basically a startup, you have this option right here. So let's say if I go into the education ones, here you can see these are all the templates that are available. I have lesson plans, grade calculator, class notes, language learning, roommate space, online learning tracker, simple resume. Like, there are a lot of templates available for me as a student if I want to use Notion to organize my things. So you can find all the templates right here. If you want to have templates for social media, just search social media right here and you will get templates for that as well. So it is that easy, guys. You can get any template that you want and you can organize any aspect of your life on Notion in a really easy manner. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.